Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks in Interactive Brokers. First, you need to open an account, which is a fully online process. You'll provide your personal and financial information, including your employment status and investment objectives. After your application is approved, typically within 1 to 3 business days, you can fund your account. Interactive Brokers offers many deposit options, such as linking a bank account or initiating a wire transfer, making it convenient to get started. Once your account is funded, it's time to explore the trading platform. Interactive Brokers offers several platforms, including the powerful Trader Workstation, IBKR Desktop, and the convenient IBKR mobile app. These platforms provide extensive research tools, real-time market data, and news from leading services. Take your time to navigate the interface, understand the various features, and use the analytical tools to research stocks that align with your investment goals. Now, let's place your first stock order. On your chosen platform, search for the stock using its ticker symbol. You can then specify the number of shares you wish to buy or even a dollar amount for fractional shares. Next, select an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum purchase price. Always review your order details, including the estimated commission, before submitting to ensure accuracy. After purchasing stocks, monitoring your investments is crucial. Interactive Brokers provides comprehensive portfolio analysis tools like Portfolio Analyst to track performance, asset allocation, and risk metrics. You can set up alerts for price changes or news events to stay informed. Consider using advanced order types, such as stop-loss orders, to help manage potential downside risk. Regularly review your portfolio and adjust your strategy to align with your evolving financial objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.